Could this be the ultimate weapon for fighting game enthusiasts? Forget everything you thought you knew about premium fight sticks, because the Varmilo Kassai is here to redefine what a tournament-grade controller can be. From the moment you pick it up, the Kassai screams quality. It's crafted from CNC machined aluminum, giving it an incredible heft and a luxurious feel that just inspires confidence. There's absolutely no sliding during those intense, clutch moments, which is a huge relief when every millisecond counts. Underneath that stunning exterior, the Kassai is all business. It's equipped with a genuine Sanwa JLX TP 8YT SK lever base, the industry standard for precision and reliability, paired with Varmilo's quick-release shaft. This means you're getting that familiar, satisfying click and responsiveness that pros demand. But what truly sets the Kassai apart is its rapid trigger technology. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer. Imagine instant input and reset, allowing for lightning-fast reactions with minimal travel. It genuinely reduces fatigue over long sessions and gives you an unprecedented level of control. The ability to fine-tune both actuation and reset points means you can dial in the switch sensitivity to your exact preference, making your inputs feel incredibly precise and responsive. It's a level of customization that serious players will absolutely adore. Varmilo hasn't stopped there. The web-based customization software is a brilliant touch. No installation required, just open your browser and you're good to go. You can adjust button layouts, SOSH settings, and that crucial trigger sensitivity with ease. And for those who love to tinker or need to replace a worn button, the easy swap design means you don't even need to open the case. It's incredibly convenient. Portability is another area where the Kassai truly shines. It's built for everyday transport, featuring a sturdy metal handle, a carry strap, and a retractable USB-C cable. The joystick itself is detachable, and along with any spare parts, can be stored right inside the controller. This thoughtful design makes it a breeze to take to tournaments or a friend's house. Plus, the built-in lock function prevents any accidental key presses during gameplay, which is a small but vital detail for competitive play. And of course, full SOSH support and cleaning ensure your inputs are always precise and tournament compliant. The Sakura design adds a beautiful aesthetic touch to an already impressive piece of hardware. Overall, the Varmilo Kassai isn't just a fight stick. It's a meticulously engineered piece of gaming equipment designed for peak performance and convenience. It's a premium, tournament-ready controller that truly delivers on its promises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.